Hello friends, welcome to Vitish Academy, and today in this presentation we are going to learn about vector equation of a plane. So there are few more formulas under this concept, so let us learn those formulas. So the vector equation of a plane passing through the non-collinear points A, B, C having the position vectors A bar, B bar and C bar is given by box R bar minus A bar, B bar minus A bar, C bar minus A bar is equal to 0. We also have another formula for this, and it is box R bar B bar C bar plus box R bar C bar A bar plus box R bar A bar B bar is equal to box A bar B bar C bar. And the vector equation of a plane passing through the points A and B and whose position vectors are A bar and B bar and is parallel to the vector C bar is given by box R bar minus A bar, B bar minus A bar, C bar is equal to 0. And then next we have the formula, which is the vector equation of a plane passing through the point A and whose position vector is A bar and parallel to the vectors B bar and C bar is given by box R bar minus A bar, B bar, C bar is equal to 0. And now let us consider pi 1 and pi 2 are the two planes. Then the plane passing through the intersection of two planes is given by pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 is equal to 0. And the next formula is the vector equation of a plane passing through the intersection of the plane R bar into n1 bar is equal to q1 and R bar into n2 bar is equal to q2 is given by R bar into n1 bar plus lambda n2 bar is equal to q1 plus lambda q2 bar, where lambda is a constant. And then next we have the formula as the vector equation of a plane parallel to the given plane R bar into n bar is equal to q is given by R bar into n bar is equal to k. And now let us learn the formula for the perpendicular distance of a point from a plane. So the perpendicular distance of the point A whose position vector is A bar from the plane R bar into n bar is equal to q is given by mod A bar into n bar minus q divided by mod n. And then next we have the formula for the angle between a line and a plane. So let us consider if theta is the angle between the line R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar and the plane R bar into n bar is equal to q, then sin theta is equal to mod B bar into n bar divided by mod B bar into mod n bar. And now let me explain this concept with the help of an example over here. So we have to find here the vector equation of the plane passing through the point A, B, C and parallel to the plane R bar into I bar plus J bar plus K bar is equal to 2. So the given plane is R bar into I bar plus J bar plus K bar is equal to 2. Let us consider this as equation 1. So we have already learned the vector equation of a plane parallel to the given plane R bar into n bar is equal to q is given by R bar into n bar is equal to k. And now let us substitute the value of n bar over here. So by substituting the value of n bar here, we get R bar into I bar plus J bar plus K bar is equal to k. So this is our equation 2. And now let us assume R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, where x, y, z are the real numbers. Now by substituting the value of R bar in the formula, we get this as xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar into I bar plus j bar plus k bar is equal to k. So here we have the value of a1 as x, a2 as y and a3 as z. Similarly, we have the value of b1 as 1, b2 as 1 and b3 as 1. Now let us find the dot product of these two vectors. So it would be a1 into b1, which would be x into 1 plus a2 into b2, which would come as y into 1 plus z into 1 is equal to k. That implies we get this equation as x plus y plus z is equal to k. Now let us consider this as equation 3. And also given that the vector equation is passing through the point A, B, C. So we get here a plus b plus c is equal to k. Now let us substitute k is equal to a plus b plus c in equation 3. So we get the vector equation of the plane passing through the point ABC as x plus y plus z is equal to a plus b plus c. So this was the basic introduction on vector equation of a plane. Hope you understood the concept. For more videos on vector algebra, visit our website, Vitish Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.